To understand prime factorization, let's first see what is factorization. Factorization is writing a number as a product of its factors. Let's take an example. We can write 6 as 1 multiplied by 6 or 2 multiplied by 3. Let's take one more example, 20. 20 can be written as 1 multiplied by 20 or 2 tens are 20, so 2 multiplied by 10 or 4 multiplied by 5, or I can also write using 3 numbers like this, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now what I have done here, I have underlined only some of the factors. Now do you see any difference between the factors that I have underlined and the ones that I have not? Let's take the example of 6 again. What is the difference between 2 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 6? The factors 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, whereas in 1 and 6, 6 is a composite number. Now in case of 20, the underlined factors 2, 2 and 5, they are all prime numbers. Whereas in case of 4 and 5, 4 is a composite number. In case of 2 and 10, 10 is a composite number. So we understand that the underlined factors are the only factors for that number which are all prime numbers. These kind of factors are called as prime factors. And prime factorization is a method of factorization where every factor is a prime number. Now, how do we get these prime factors? That means, how do we do this prime factorization? What we need to do is, we need to divide the number by prime numbers repeatedly until we get all the prime factors. So prime factorization is done by repeated division by prime numbers. Let's take an example. Let's take the number 20. So we start dividing it by prime numbers. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. So we start dividing by 2. So 20 divided by 2, answer is 10. Again 10 is divisible by 2, so divide by 2, answer is 5. Is 5 divisible by any number? No, because 5 itself is a prime number. So we stop. Now all the numbers that we used for division as well as the last number which was not divisible, all these prime numbers together make prime factors of the number. Now let's take one more example, 36. 36, is it divisible by 2? Yes. So we divide by 2, answer is 18. 18 is again divisible by 2. So we divide by 2, answer is 9. Is 9 divisible by 2? No. Which is the next prime number? The next prime number is 3. So we divide by 3, answer is 3. 3 is also a prime number which cannot be divided further, so we stop. Now all these numbers that we used for division as well as the last number that we could not divide further, all these prime numbers together make the prime factors of 36. So the prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3 and 3.